Hey guys, what's going on? I have to tell you about the best seasoning blend that me and my husband are currently addicted to right now. It's Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. Trader Joe's makes it, but you could get it like online and stuff. It doesn't just have to be at the store. I love this. It just tastes so good. Like everything, I usually put it on, like I'll have a piece of toast with avocado on it, and I'll mash up the avocado and then add this on top, and it adds a lot of flavor. I put it in salads, just anything you want to like add a little extra taste to. It really does taste like an everything bagel without all the carbs, so it's really good. I love Trader Joe's, like their brand stuff is just always like really good, on point. Sprinkle this on whatever you'd like to make you feel like you are eating an everything bagel, or be bold and sprinkle on a plain bagel with cream cheese. It is 2.3 ounces. I usually like go through this pretty quickly. Like we bought this 2 weeks ago and like it's almost empty. Well, not almost empty, but let's see how much I have in here. Yeah, no, it is almost empty. Almost time for a new one. Sometimes it's hard to see because like the label, but it's so good. So let's see what else. Ingredients. It's only 5 calories and quarter teaspoon, 65 servings per jar, 80 milligrams of sodium, of course, because there's like salt in there. Only 5 calories. And ingredients: sesame seeds, sea salt flakes, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. So put this on something so I could show you guys. Okay, so I just need a little bagel, also Trader Joe's brand, by the way. It's a whole wheat everything bagel flat, so they're like smaller than your average bagels. Of course, in New York, nothing's better than a bagel from the bagel store, but these are a great option if you just need to pick up something quick and you don't have time to go to like the bagel shop or bakery, whatever. And I use Trader Joe's with cream cheese, and I'm going to be bold, like the label says. Be bold and sprinkle on a plain bagel. Alright, well, we're sprinkling it on an everything bagel, so it's going to be extra everything. Just sprinkle a little on here. See like what's in there, the poppy seeds, the garlic, sea salt, I think, right? Maybe it's sea salt before. Yeah, sea salt flakes, sesame seeds, the dried minced garlic, the dried minced onion, black sesame seeds, and the poppy seeds. But this is literally great on everything. I'm telling you, try it on avocado toast. Like, put a little avocado with tomato or cilantro and sprinkle it on top. It gives it so much flavor, and it's literally delicious. And I get like these addictions to things, and this is like definitely one of them. I saw this. Actually, someone posted it on like their Instagram story, and they posted it with the avocado toast, and I was like, oh my god, that looks heavenly. I need to try that. It looked so good. So luckily I do have a Trader Joe's by me. I picked it up and tried it, but don't worry if you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, which I know they're not everywhere. It's very easy to just order it online, and it's amazing. You won't be disappointed. And like I said, like you know, it lasts a while. I go through it a lot because I use it like every single day because I'm obsessed, but yeah, like it'll last you a while because there is 65 servings in here, so it could last you up to a couple months if you don't use it like every day or whatever. But yeah, just a great seasoning blend. Tastes so good. Literally tastes like an everything bagel, but I don't know, you could add it. Trying to think what else. Anything really. Soups, grilled cheese, like any kind of vegetable. I think I made sauteed vegetables and added this. It gives it like a nice crunch too, so that's really good. Consistency is great. So I hope that you guys will try out Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blends, and I'm sure that you will absolutely love it, and I dare you to try not to get addicted to this because it's so good. So if you don't know about it, now you know. Try it out, guys. Can't wait to try this bagel with it. See you later.